escaping danger, understanding, out of the woods. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into an interesting and widely used English phrase, out of the woods. This idiom can be a bit puzzling, especially for English language learners, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your conversations. So, let's get started. The phrase, out of the woods, is an idiom that means to have emerged from a dangerous or difficult situation. It suggests that the most challenging part of a problem is over, but it doesn't necessarily mean that everything is completely resolved. Think of it like finding your way through a dense forest. Once you're out, the most immediate dangers are behind you, though you might still have a journey ahead. Understanding where idioms come from can often help us remember their meanings. The phrase, out of the woods, is believed to have originated from old fairy tales and folklore, where forests were commonly depicted as mysterious or perilous places. Characters in these stories would have to navigate through these woods, facing various challenges along the way. Emerging from the forest symbolized escaping these dangers and moving towards safety. Now that you know what it means, let's talk about how to use out of the woods in everyday conversation. This idiom can be used in various contexts, from health to business. In health, after 3 days in the hospital, he's finally out of the woods, but he'll need to rest at home. In business, our company had some financial difficulties last quarter, but I think we're out of the woods now. Remember, while the phrase indicates that the worst is over, it doesn't imply that all problems are completely solved. There might still be steps to take or precautions to consider. Let's look at a few more examples to solidify your understanding. After the car was fixed, we were out of the woods, but we decided to keep an eye on it for a few more weeks. The project had many obstacles at the start, but now that we've addressed the main issues, we're finally out of the woods. Try creating your own sentences using out of the woods to describe a situation where someone has moved past the most challenging part of a problem. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, out of the woods. We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting idiom and that you feel more confident using it in your English conversations. Remember, learning idioms is not only about expanding your vocabulary but also about understanding the culture and history behind the language. Keep practicing, and you'll find yourself navigating the complexities of English with ease. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.